Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So this has got to be one of the easiest setups I've ever experienced with Bluetooth. Now I know what you're gonna say, Jay, what the heck is going on? You're going full-time Apple. I'm just testing the waters. I was talking to a lot of people and they're like, Jay, I'm telling you, you use so many Apple products, even if you don't want to use them with the iPhone, just use them with your Mac, your MacBook Pro, anything else. I made fun of these since the beginning, talking about how they look ridiculous in your ear. But you know what? I'm done clowning. I'm gonna try them out, and that's just what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the settings here. There's some settings I've told that you can get into in Bluetooth for these, let's see if this can go into here. All right, so here's how you get into. You hit info, and it'll tell you for left and right. So automatic ear detection is good. Automatic microphone. So for the right, I'm gonna do pause and play, and then for the left I'm gonna do, how about next track? Yeah, so that's a nice setup. So this is pretty simple, man. I've heard that it's really nice, so I'm gonna test them out and tell you what I think about them right now. So let's kick the rest of this video off. All right, so taking them out of the box here, it's pretty cool, man. I really like that setup process, man. I think Apple did a good job with that. So I guess this is the right side, so let's put it in. I made fun of people. Whoa, it's a little buzz. So I made fun of people for wearing these. I'm starting to see these everywhere. And when I was in the store, this guy was like, yo, these sound amazing. They won't fall out your ear. I'm like, I guess, man. So I'm gonna try them out. So you're not gonna be able to hear the music, but I'm about to play a song, and I'm gonna tell you right now how I feel about these straight up, just in my first experience right now. So let's find a song here with some bass. I've heard they got a lot of bass. Oh, I gotta check my library. All right, here we go. All right, let me try a different song. They sound really good at peak volume. Let me try a different song. You know, they sound good. I'm not gonna front. They sound good. Let me try one of my favorite tracks. This is my YouTube track right here. Wow. They have like the W2 chip or W1 chip, whatever it is. Wow. Okay, Apple, I see you. So double tap, it turned it. Let me adjust my camera. Looks like my camera's a little off. Oh, that's good. All right, so they sound good. I'm not gonna front. They don't sound like groundbreaking like any other, because I rock with the Jaybird Runs, and the Jaybird Runs is my favorite set of earbuds because they sound really good with the iPhone. You know, it's got the app, you can set them up and everything. It's got a charging case, just like obviously it's a little bit bigger, and these are a little bit bigger, but still, you know, they sound good. But the integration is what works for Apple, and that's pretty much what it is, man. They're winning people over with integration. And these little headphones right here, man, they sound good, man. Let me turn this back on. It sounds really good, actually. Oh, I forgot I can pause and play from up here too. All right, so double tap. There it is. Gotta get used to that, but wow. They sound good. I'm not gonna front. I still think I look ridiculous with these things on my ears, so maybe I'll sync them to my 5K iMac and have them come up with that and test it. I'll use these for editing and stuff like that. But I gotta admit, man, wow, they're pretty good. They're pretty good, man. They're pretty good. I'm not gonna front. Some people say that the battery life lasts for like a week or so, because the case charges too. But wow, that's just what it is, man. I can't front. They sound good. So no, I'm not officially converting all the way to Apple. I've actually already been Apple, if you think about it. I just didn't really rock with the iPhones like that. But this is a switch for me because I really clown people for these, man. And people hit me up, was like, Jet, you gotta try them. At least try them, then you can give your determination. And since I'm not a biased person, I'll come back and retract what I said. I never said they sounded bad because I never heard them before. I just said I felt like my Jaybird runs will probably be better. However, I can't front. It's the integration and how easy it is to set these up, and then the quality from that is ridiculous, man. The quality is just stupid good. It's unreal how nice these sound, man. I can't believe it's coming from these little bitty headphones, man, or earbuds. I just can't believe it. It's crazy. Anyway, it's your man Jay, man. There you have it. I ate my words. I said I wasn't gonna buy these. Here we are a year later. I bought them, and I actually like them. I feel like Jerry Rig right now when he was trying to break the iPhone XS and it wouldn't break. That's kind of about how I feel. So I know y'all gonna let me have it in the comments, so I'll take it. It's your man Jay. Do you have the AirPods? How long have you had them? Do you like them? How do they sound for you? I'm out.